In this video, I'm going to show you a Perfex CRM tutorial. Managing clients, sales, and business operations often requires juggling multiple tools. One system for invoicing, another for project management, another for tracking leads, and maybe even another for customer support. That can quickly become overwhelming, expensive, and inefficient. Perfect CRM is designed to solve this exact problem. Perfect CRM is an open source, self hosted customer relationship management system that brings all these functions into one platform. Unlike subscription based CRMs, Perfect gives you ownership of the software and your data while offering robust features for client management, sales, billing, projects, and support. For small and mid-sized businesses, especially, it's a powerful way to streamline operations without breaking the budget. So in this video, we'll walk through the key features and benefits of Perfect CRM, highlight why it's such a smart choice in 2025, and give you a complete beginner-friendly overview of how it can transform your workflow. So for its key features and benefits, first is the client and contact management. Perfect CRM makes managing client relationships simple and effective. Every client you add gets their own profile where you can store personal details, communication history, files, and notes. But it goes further by offering a client portal, allowing your customers to log in, view invoices, check project updates, and even submit support tickets. Instead of scattered emails or spreadsheets, you have a centralized hub for every client interaction. This not only keeps your team organized, but also improves the client experience, giving them transparency and confidence in your services. Another key feature is the sales pipeline and lead management. Perfex helps you track your sales process from start to finish. Leads can be captured, assigned to sales reps, and moved through customizable stages of your pipeline. The system makes it easy to spot which deals are hot, which need follow ups, and which are at risk of being lost. The dashboard gives you an at a glance view of your sales performance. So, by having complete visibility into your sales funnel, you can shorten the sales cycle, prioritize effectively, and increase your conversion rate. Another key feature is the project and task management. Perfex isn't just about CRM. It also includes project management tools that make it possible to handle client work in the same system. You can create projects, assign tasks, add deadlines, and track progress. There's also built-in time tracking, which is perfect for teams who bill by the hour. Clients can log in to check the progress themselves, eliminating the need for endless update emails. This integration of CRM and project management ensures smoother collaboration between your team and clients. It helps prevent miscommunication, keeps projects on track, and makes it easier to deliver work on time. Another key feature is the invoicing, estimates, and payments. One of Perfect's strongest feature is its financial management. You can create detailed estimates, convert them into invoices, and accept online payments directly through integrated gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and others. You can also set up recurring invoices and automatic reminders for overdue payments, which significantly reduces time spent chasing clients. Bringing billing into your CRM means no more switching between different platforms. It simplifies your workflow, ensures accuracy in client billing, and improves your cash flow with faster payments. Another key feature is the support tickets and customer service. Perfex includes a help desk module for managing customer support. Clients can submit tickets through their portal, which you can then assign to the right team member. Each ticket stays tracked until it's resolved, and everything is stored in your client's history. This helps you deliver faster, more organized support. It prevents requests from being lost in emails and ensures you maintain strong professional relationships with your clients even after the sale. So, why is Perfect CRM a great choice? The biggest reason is ownership and flexibility. With subscription based CRMs, you're often paying per user, and those costs add up quickly as your team grows. Perfex, on the other hand, is a one time purchase with no recurring fees. That makes it extremely cost effective in the long run. Another advantage is customization. Because it's open source, you can tailor Perfex to fit your exact business needs. Whether that means adding modules, integrating with your existing systems, or customizing workflows, you have full control. So basically, Perfect CRM is more than just a tool for storing client information. It's a complete business management solution. With its client portals, sales pipelines, project management, invoicing, and support ticket system, it replaces multiple tools and centralizes your operations. It's also versatile. Perfex works equally well for freelancers, small agencies, or mid sized businesses. So for beginners, it's user-friendly enough to get started quickly, but it's also robust and customizable, meaning it can grow alongside your business. So if you're looking for a CRM in 2025 that gives you ownership, affordability, and a wide set of features, Perfect CRM is one of the best options available. So whether you're a freelancer trying to stay organized, an agency managing client projects, or a business looking to consolidate tools, Perfect CRM provides the foundation you need for better productivity and stronger client relationships. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe.